Never have to pay for breakfast, but like since we have to pay for breakfast now, like they're trying to figure out a way where they can pay for the breakfast like in a cheaper manner. So I bet we're trying to find like a Perkins like place or something like that.
What's up, engineers? We're out here in sunny Los Angeles, ready to go to Sydney tonight. Oh yeah, an exciting day in front of us.
We're not going to Disney World.
Disneyland.
Ever.
Frankie wants to go to Disneyland.
It's at the Star Wars thing there, and I want to go. It like just opened.
Universal Studios has Harry Potter World, and that's a little better than Star Wars.
It's rather legit,
No,
to say the least.
we're
We're going to go to either the, what's it called, the observatory?
Oh yeah, dude.
The Griffith Observatory or the Getty Center. That's the plan for today.
I like that.
We're probably going to hike around a little bit, and we're obviously going to get In-N-Out Burger.
What's up, guys? We're just going to Walgreens right now. We're here stuck in LA wearing all long sleeve clothes because we don't have any more clothes. So we're gonna go to Walgreens to get like some hygiene stuff. And after that, we're gonna go to Santa Monica Pier. Okay, it's gonna be really nice.
What up, engineers? We're on our way to Santa Monica Beach. Yeah. In a Walgreens outfit, Walgreens outfit. Because it was this or jeans and a long sleeve t-shirt. So it's 80 degrees out. Not enough.
Stretch my legs out. Squat up. Squat up.
So we're in Santa Monica, the pier's over that way, pretty rad. Walking by some food trucks now, trying to get some eats. Once we do that, I don't know what we're doing. Oh my god.
Stuff.
What up, vlog?
Vlogging, bro.
Hey, what up, vlog?
What's up, guys? Here we're in beautiful Santa Monica, California.
I'm Will
pier.
Dreesen, your personal engineer, astrophysicist. Michael here. Can I catch this squirrel?
Dude, look at the pink flowers, dude.
Hey, guys, you want to see a meme?
Right
walking
here,
to the pier.
We're walking right on the bridge to the Santa Monica Pier. It's packed, as you can see.
There's quite a few people there.
Quite a few people.
Hello there. We went to the beach. This very high woman thought that Nate over here was Daniel Radcliffe.
Yeah, there's a Louis Vuitton. What's up, bro? We walking. It's downhill. It's nice. We got the ocean to my left. We got some cliff to my right. Beautiful day out. And where are we? Santa Monica. It's beautiful. We're not in Australia yet, though.
This is my favorite thing. Poured concrete, brutalism. It's awesome. It's really nice. It looks nice.
I like it.
Miramar Hotel is right here. It's a nice place. We're heading to the Louis Vuitton store, correct? Correct?
We went and ate, then we got ice cream, and then we ate again.
What up, gamers? Are we going today? We got attacked by a pigeon. Yeah. And then we attacked a lady. We did not attack. We did not attack a lady. Got nice. Some lady tried to tell us that we were going to hell, and then I won $3.
I've never had In-N-Out. I quite enjoy it.
I like eating Jaber's fries.
It's very cheap for the value.
True.
Value.
Burger's good. Fries aren't very hot.
Yeah. Fries
good,
looked like they were frozen.
It's good.
But you know, overall, great burger.
Good. It's a cheeseburger.
All right, so we just found out that our flight got delayed another 2 hours, so that's exactly what I wanted to happen, so I can go eat more In-N-Out. I'm just hoping this doesn't turn into the same thing yesterday. You know what? We'll roll with it.
I want some bubblegum, bazooka zooka bubblegum. I want some bubblegum, bazooka zooka bubblegum. My mom gave me a nickel. My mom gave me a nickel. Said go and buy a pickle. Said go and buy a pickle. I don't want to buy a pickle. I don't want to buy a pickle. I want some bubblegum, bazooka zooka bubblegum. I want some bubblegum, bazooka zooka bubblegum.
Okay, so we got to the airport. We got through security. It was really fast. We had some mess ups with tickets, but it was pretty smooth. Okay. After that, you know, we got a lot of free time to roam around, visit all the shops we wanted. It was pretty interesting. Went to a few places. Yeah, now we're back at the gate, just waiting to board our flight, and it's a big flight. It's two decks. Jeez. It's 2 decks, lots of seats. Oh yeah, it got delayed by 2 hours too.
Got here finally. So we took a little walk around and we found a perfume store. And we thought, hey, why not? Let's go into this store.
It was a mistake.
So we walked in and then we just started trying some perfumes like any normal people would do in a perfume store. And Caleb got a little overzealous and started ruining his shirt. And now he's kind of insane. I mean, so yeah, it's just been crazy. We got some pinkity drinkities. Now we're just waiting to board the flight.
It's his.
It's been a good day. Ish.
What's up, gamers? Back at it again. Sitting in the airport.
Flight's been delayed more and more. Game time.
What? The plane showed up an
The
hour late.
plane is here.
It's dummy thick.
Game time.
Double decker.
Slow motion.
The plane's here.
I heard the plane was here.
Game time. It's too.
So we're finally here in Australia. Everyone's upside down, but since everyone is, it looks pretty normal to me.
Wait, sorry.
Oh, there you go.
When everyone's upside down.
Made it through customs, 0 problems, easy peasy.
Block time. What
How'd
are
it
we
go,
talking?
everybody?
So the flight itself was actually pretty good. The meals were not that. We're okay. Okay, the muffin. The muffin.
Muffin was
when it was
fire.
hot.
The muffin was
so
really good.
Yeah, but